Hey guys, Randy Springer, creator of the Guitar Slingers Kitchen channel. Today's a little bit of a different video. I want to thank Greg Ovens and Zach Fowler for giving me the spark. Little pun there, to get back in the woods and do some fire starting and cooking on the grill and just kind of getting back to nature and doing things a little bit the harder way, I guess. But I shot a little video prior to this, and I had a little challenge getting my fire started. I'll go ahead and leave that on this video, but I got a fire I'm gonna start here. But thanks Zach and Greg Ovens. I happened on you first, and I watched the two of your 30-day challenges, one with Greg and one with Chris. And I can't remember the names of all of your channels right this minute, but they will be linked below this video. But thanks again for everything, and thanks for turning me on to this wazoo. And I also got some of your, I got some of that woodobo coming too. That looked interesting. But as you can see, I've already been working on this and trying to get some fires going. But this was kind of my inspiration to get back out, watching you guys do your challenges, and just wanted to say thanks. So we'll see if I can get this thing started easier than my previous fire. Almost. We got it. All right, hold on a minute, let me make sure. Oh yeah, we got it. No doubt in my mind. Everything's kind of wet like it was last time. Check out the smoke going around here. That's pretty cool. We got a lot of rain recently, so I wasn't surprised. The stuff was still wet. There we go. Get a few things on top. We got it. I'm gonna take a little minute to show the stuff I got here in my kits. I got some of this wood and wax mixture here. Got my flint and steel, of course. Some silk, some char cloth. Got some rope with some beeswax on it, and some chaga. I use that sparingly. And in here I got some band-aids. I got some more wax. Got some of the fire strip. Got my spark here. This thing works great. It's not one easy with one hand. But got all my different assortments of things. Got some birch and steel wool, one of my favorite fire starters. This stuff works great, wet or dry. It just goes right up. But that's my rundown of all my stuff. Thanks again, you guys. Really appreciate it. See you on the flip. Enjoy. Right, so we're going to try to start a fire today. We're out at a nice little spot that we like to hunt for mushrooms, and see about using my wazoo to get a fire started today. Got a little tinder going here. We'll see what happens. Got my tinder pack here. Got a few things in here just to make sure. Everything's kind of wet today, but I think we can get this done. Got a little ember down in there, but I think we're going to have to try again. Everything's pretty wet. Got the driest stuff we could find, but not dry enough, apparently. Get some more spark down in there. We are close, that's for sure. Just not enough dry tinder. Got a good ember down there, but gonna need a little bit more dry tinder. I'm just gonna steal it from here. Got a little bit of silk and dryer lint. I'm gonna use some of this. I'm gonna use some of this right here. There we go. Got some of my char cloth in here too, but we still got a good spark in there. We just don't have enough tinder to get the flame going. Better sharpen my knife soon. Still got an ember down in there. I'll get another one started on top here and see what happens. gotta get something burning down in there. I believe we got it. Alright. It was a success. Just had to use a little bit more tinder. There wasn't nothing out here. Get all this put away. I wasn't going to try flint today. I just knew, although I could have got it going, but didn't want to work out. All right. Using the old wazoo fire starter necklace. Get a few bigger pieces up here. That's it. That. Just a teeny little fire for the afternoon. Wazoo fire starter. That's what we want. Got us some pheasant-backs today on the way out here unexpectedly. Just happened on. Guess that's how it works. But yeah. Nice day. Clouded up a little bit on us, but not too bad. Got Spring Creek down here. Fire's going good. Everything's so wet. We were worried about anything starting on fire. Barely got the fire going. Should be a good day. Cook us up a couple hot dogs. Sounds good to me. Laura's scavenging for twigs. Although I think we got quite a bit of wood. We're good for a little while. The frogs just started singing. Oh, and just as I say that, they stop.